What's up guys? So my name is Dale, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to install Google Analytics on your WordPress website. Now, if you're not entirely sure what Google Analytics is, then no problem. I put a video link in the description to one of my other videos that explains what it is and how it works. And I use awesome visual examples, so it's going to be super simple to understand. But in simplest terms, Google Analytics is just an awesome tool that allows you to analyze your website traffic. So you can see how many visitors you're getting, where are they coming from, what pages are they visiting most, and so much more. So let's go ahead and install that right now. So step number one is to create a Google Analytics account. And don't worry, this process is completely free. So all you want to do is just go up to google.com/analytics. Now you're just going to go click on Start for free. And then just click on Sign Up. So it'll ask what would you like to track, and I just have website selected. So now just do an account name and a website name, and these can be the exact same name. Now just enter in your website URL, then just select an industry, and then make sure you have the correct time zone. Then you can leave all of these boxes checked, and then just click on Get Tracking ID. Then just accept the terms. And then just click on I accept. Cool, so here is your new Google Analytics dashboard. So I'm just going to close out of this box as well as this one. So step number two is to install Google Analytics to WordPress. Okay, so from your WordPress dashboard, just go on over to Plugins and then go to Add New. And from here, just go on over to the Search Plugins box and type in Google Analytics. And you'll see the Google Analytics plugin right here. So all you have to do is just click on the Install Now button. And then just click Activate. Cool, so that plugin was just installed. Now, step number three is to link your Google Analytics account. So to do this, all you have to do is just go over to the menu on the left and scroll down until you see Google Analytics, and then just click on General Settings, and then just click on Authorize Plugin, and then just click on the Get Access Code link, and then just sign into your Google Analytics, and then just click on Allow. So here it says, please copy this code, switch to your application, and paste it there. So I'm just going to click on it and copy. Then go back to my WordPress, and then just paste the access code right here. And then just click Save Access Code. Cool, plugin authorization succeeded. So now just scroll all the way down and click on Save Changes. So last but not least, step number four is to view your data. So from your main WordPress dashboard, you'll see, if you scroll down, a Google Analytics dashboard widget, and this will tell you all of the data. So currently there's 0 because I just installed it. But over the next few weeks, if I were to record all of that tracking data, it would look something like this. So if you were to go up to this box and just click on it, you can view based on the amount of users to your website. You can look at organic traffic. You can look at how many views per page, how quickly are they leaving your website with the bounce rate, where they're from, and much more. And you can decide how far back you want to view this data, including real time. Or you can just go over to your Google Analytics page on Google, and you can view all the same data by going to the Home button over here on the top left. And you can get a basic overview of what's going on your website. And over here on the left, you've got the Audience button, which is relatively the same info. And underneath, you've got acquisition, and here you can see where your visitors are coming from. So i.e. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you might be running ads. Or are they just finding you simply on Google search? And then underneath that, you've got the behavior button. So you can see what pages they're visiting and how long they're visiting those pages for. And lastly, you've got a conversions button. And this is great for e-commerce because it'll tell you how well you're doing at converting your visitors into customers. Alright guys, so that was how to install Google Analytics onto your WordPress website. So if you liked the video, please hit that like button, it would be much appreciated. And if you want more awesome tips, tricks, WordPress tutorials, website design tutorials, please smash that subscribe button on my channel. You won't be sorry. Rumor has it, for every new subscriber that I get, a cat learns how to sit like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.